Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video I am going to teach you les pronoms possessifs, quatrième partie. That means we are going to study the possessive pronouns, fourth part. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prim or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And as I already told you, in this video, we are going to study les pronoms possessifs, and this is the final part, the fourth part of our series, the possessive pronouns. Before we begin with this video, I would request you to watch this video till the end. And in case you like this video, do not forget to give a thumbs up to the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, mention your comments in the comment section below. Also, if you're not following me over my Instagram page, which is Learn French by Suchita, go and follow me over there as well. Now, let's just start with this video. This is the fourth and the final part of our series, the possessive pronouns. Now, in this video, I'm going to put more emphasis upon the feminine plural one. All right. If you have not watched the first three parts of this series, the possessive pronouns, I'm going to mention the links of those videos in the card above and also in the description box below. If you have not watched those parts, I would request you to go and watch those and then come back here again. Now, let me just give you a brief recap of what exactly is this table. What are possessive pronouns? Now, possessive pronouns, possessive comes from the word possession. Something which shows the possession, like this is my table, this is my door, this is my ladder, anything which shows you the possession. So mine, yours, his or hers, they are actually possessive pronouns. Now over here I have written all the subjects. Subjects are je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il pluriel, elle pluriel. Now je, which means I, tu, which means you, il, which means he or it, elle, which means she or it, nous, which means we, vous, which means you, and il and elle, which means they. Now from I, we would have mine. These are subject pronouns and these are possessive pronouns. Now I would give rise to mine. From you, we would have yours. From he or it, we would have his or its. From she or it, we would have hers or its. From we would have ours. From you, we would have yours, and from they, we would have theirs. Now in English, as I was telling you in the first three videos, in English you just have one way of saying mine, or yours, or his, or hers. But in French, you have four different ways of saying, for all of them. Now for mine, you have four columns. Masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural, and feminine plural. Now mine, we would have le mien, la mienne, les miens, les miennes. The meaning of all four of them is mine. For yours, we would have le tien, la tienne, les tiens, les tiennes. For his or its, we would have le sien, la sienne, les siens, les siennes. For il and elle, you have the same thing. So here also you have le sien, la sienne, les siens, les siennes. The next one is ours. Le nôtre, la nôtre, les nôtres, les nôtres. The next one is yours. Le vôtre, la vôtre, les vôtres, les vôtres. For theirs, you have le leur, la leur, les leurs, les leurs. And now, for both of them, you have the same thing. Le leur, la leur, les leurs, les leurs. Let's just revise this table once again. Le mien, la mienne, les miens, les miennes. Le tien, la tienne, les tiens, les tiennes. Le sien, la sienne, les siens, les siennes. Le nôtre, la nôtre, les nôtres, les nôtres. Le vôtre,
la vôtre, les vôtres, les vôtres. And for these two we have same thing, so le leur, la leur, les leur and les leur. Now in today's video I'm going to give you all the examples related to the feminine plural column. So this is the final part of our series where I would be focusing upon only the feminine plural examples. Now that I've already told you, in this video we are going to look upon the fourth column, the last column, which is feminine plural. So all the examples that I've chosen, they are for feminine plural, right? Now let's look at the first example, which is ce sont mes robes. These are my dresses. Now I want to replace these are my dresses with these are mine, right? Now what are these? Mes, tes, leur, say, these are your possessive adjectives. If you do not know what exactly are possessive adjectives, I'm going to mention the link of those videos in the card above and also in the description box below. You can check them out. Now, ce sont mes robes. These are my dresses. I want to replace this with these are mine. For mine, you have four options: le mien, la mienne, les miens, les miennes. So it's not dependent upon my gender. It's dependent upon the gender of the thing that we are talking about, and we are talking about robe over here. Robe, right? So it's dependent upon the gender of the thing we are replacing. These are my dresses. These are mine. Mine what? Dresses. So that is feminine and that's plural. So we will say ce sont les miennes, right? Now ce sont tes fleurs. These are your flowers. We will replace this by these are yours. Now for yours you have four options: le tien, la tienne, les tiens, les tiennes. Now we'll look at flowers, which is une fleur. Feminine and plural. So we'll choose from the fourth column, which is ce sont les tiennes, right? Now ce sont leurs plantes. These are their plants. I want to replace these are their plants by these are theirs. So for theirs, again you have four possibilities: le leur, la leur, les leur, les leur. The word plante is feminine and plural, so we'll choose from the fourth column, which is ce sont les leurs. Let's look at the fourth example. Ce sont ses oreilles, which means these are his ears or her ears. For his and her you have same thing, right? I want to replace this with these are his or these are hers. For that you have four possibilities: le sien, la sienne, les siens, les siennes. The word oreille is feminine and plural, so we'll choose from the fourth column: ce sont les siennes, right? So we will look up on the gender of the thing that we are talking about: robe, fleur, plante, oreille, and not my gender or your gender. Now here I have written two examples. We'll solve them together. Voici mes clés. Here are my keys. Où sont? Where are? Now I want to fill the blank with yours. Here are my keys. Where are yours? Now for yours you have two options. You can either use the tu version or else you can use the vous version. I'll give you the examples for both. Now here are my keys. Where are yours? For tu you have four options: le tien, la tienne, les tiens, les tiennes. We'll look at the gender of the thing that we are talking about, and we are talking about clé, which is feminine and which is plural. So we'll say où sont les tiennes, right? Now if I would have to use the vous version, for that again you have four options: le vôtre, la vôtre, les vôtres, les vôtres, right? So for that also you will look at the fourth column, which is feminine plural. So either you can say où sont les tiennes or else you can say où sont les vôtres, right? Because we have to look at the gender of the thing that we are talking about, and that is feminine plural, so we'll choose from the fourth column, feminine plural. The next one: vos chaussures sont propres. Your shoes are clean, mes dash sont sales. So your shoes are clean, but I want to fill the blank with but theirs are dirty. Now for theirs you have four options: le leur, la leur, les leur, les leur. Now here we are talking about chaussure, which is feminine and which is plural. So you will say fourth column: mais les leurs sont sales. It's not dependent upon them, it's dependent upon chaussure, which is feminine and plural. Feminine and plural. Vos chaussures sont propres, mais les leurs sont sales. And that's it for this video. With this, we have finished our topic, les pronoms possessifs. If you like this video, do not forget to give a thumbs up to the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, mention your comments in the comment section below. And I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.